So, magandang hapon po. Ito po yung unang araw ko ng pag-accept ng challenge ng aking batch, si Sergeant J.R. Raytana Kariki. 25 push-up, 25 squat thrust repetition, and 25 days challenge. So, let's do this. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 10, 2, 11, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 14, 15, 1, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5. So, hiningal din ako.